So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert TypeScript files into JavaScript. So right here, you see inside of this folder, I have a TypeScript file, and I want to convert it into JavaScript. So to do that, what I'm going to be using is I'm going to use Node.js. And to download Node.js, all you have to do is you have to go to nodejs.org and click on Downloads here. When you click on Download, you can click on Pre-built Installer, and you can download it for Windows. If you are on Mac OS, you can click on this drop down and go to Mac OS. Alright, so after you download and install Node.js, what you'll need to do is you will need to go to, let's see, let me minimize the browser. So what you'll need to do is you will need to go to command prompt, or you can use the terminal inside of the VS Code or the bash. So it's up to you, but I'm gonna go inside of that folder. So the first command that I'm gonna be using and running is going to be cd desktop, because I want to go to desktop. So now I'm on desktop, and on desktop I have this folder. I named it ts, so I'm going to type in cd again ts. So now I am inside of that folder. Now I have some notes here. So you see it says, after downloading and installing Node.js, install TypeScript using npm install TypeScript. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Now I'm going to press enter. So just wait for it. So after installing TypeScript, you can check the version by typing tsc --version. So tsc --version, as you know, I have version 5.54, and it means that we have TypeScript installed correctly. So now what we are going to do is we are going to convert the TypeScript file. So now this is the last step. Right here, you see inside of this folder, I have a file. I named it TypeScript. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say tsc and then TypeScript, the name of the file, and then .ts. Yeah, so just like that. So you see tsc, the name of the file, .ts. And now if you press enter, you'll notice that it's not going to show you anything. Right here, I'm going to go to that folder. You'll notice that now we have a JavaScript file. And now I can double click on it and open my JavaScript file. So this is the converted file. And let me show you the original TypeScript file as well. So you see this one is a TypeScript, all right? So I know, you see there is not a lot of difference between the two, except this is TypeScript and you can see the data type basically, all right? So you see, for example, let name string, but this one, it says let first name and it has the name. All right, so this is basically how you can convert TypeScript files into JavaScript files. I hope you liked the video, everyone.